It's one of those days where we've got that strong south wind coming in off the Gulf of Mexico at about 20 to 25 miles per hour. And that is the reason why we do have a wind advisory in effect currently, especially for our northwest, west, and southwest counties. We also have a wind advisory out there across southern portions of Louisiana. That does include Lafayette, Lake Charles, and Cameron. So wherever you are across the region, it is a windy day, and we expect those winds to remain relatively elevated as we head into the evening hours. In fact, here's a look at some of those wind speeds right now. We're coming in at 24 miles an hour there at Mont Belvieu, 23 at Hobby, 22 miles per hour there in Sugar Land, and 25 miles an hour up there in Conroe. Couple that with the temperatures, 85 degrees at both major airports currently, 88 right now in Katy, 85 degrees there in Conroe, and it just feels like a very sultry afternoon, what we are used to here along the upper Texas coast. Satellite and radar, a lot of clouds out there, but not much in the way of precipitation. That, my friends, is going to change, I think, as we head into the next couple of days. We have a series of disturbances that are going to be working their way through the state of Texas, and as it does so, it's going to bring several bouts of heavy rain into our region, and that is good news because we are running almost 7 inches below normal for the year so far here in the Houston area. As we take a look at the broad picture, you can see some heavy rain falling out here across northwest portions of Arkansas into southeast portions of Oklahoma, and rain developing out there across the Permian Basin. Now, as we take you into the forecast here, that FUTURETRACK, you'll notice a strong line of thunderstorms developing there from Dallas out towards Austin, maybe just to the west of San Antonio, right there along the I-35 corridor. Now, these storms are not anticipated to make it into the Houston area. They will weaken as they push to the south and east, but nonetheless, we are expecting rain to move into our region as we head into your Thursday. Therefore, those rain chances are going to be on their way up big time, I think, as we head into your Friday Eve. And that rain is going to be with us, looks like, as we head into your Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We've actually had to up those rain chances this coming weekend because it just doesn't look like this disturbance is going to be pushing through very rapidly at all. As far as the severe threat goes, we're talking about a 3 out of 5 this afternoon. This is what we call an enhanced risk from Dallas to areas just to the west of Austin, out there towards Burnett, Llano, and Lampasas counties, and getting out towards the Del Rio area. Now, as we look ahead towards tomorrow into your Thursday, that drops all the way down to a 1 out of 5. This is what we call a marginal risk, and it is generally to the north of I-10. So we are not anticipating severe weather in our region, but we are expecting bouts of heavy rain over the next 3 to 4 days. And again, this is good as this takes us all the way into Sunday evening. The model here painting 3 to 5 inches of rain. And again, as I mentioned previously, the big airport up there on the north side is running almost 7 inches below normal for the year. We've got widespread drought conditions across the upper Texas coast, and that means that this rainfall will be a good thing. Now, here's the catalyst of the whole thing. We've got this area of low pressure that's just really going to take its time, bowling ball its way right through the state of Texas, and unfortunately that comes through right in time for the weekend. So Saturday, out ahead of this area of low pressure, get a lot of rising motion that equals a lot of rainfall across our region, and it looks like as we head into your Sunday morning, that area of low pressure is still going to be forming here across the upper Texas coast, and that is what's going to keep those rain chances in the forecast as we head into your Sunday. Now, once we get rid of that, as we head into next week, and if you hear that dinging, that would be my watch, and that would be my dad calling. Everybody say hello to Dad. All right, take a look here at the Wednesday forecast. We're talking about a heat wave trying to build right back into the region here across Texas and to the desert southwest. That means that we are talking about possibly our first 90-degree readings moving into the forecast as we head into early and the middle part of next week. So here's the 7-day, a 60% chance of showers and thunderstorms as we head into your Thursday, a 50% chance Friday into Saturday, 40% chance on Sunday, and if the current computer models are correct, we may actually have to up these rain chances once again heading into the weekend, and then we dry it out heading into early next week. Temperatures 84, 88, all the way up to 90 degrees, it looks like, heading into next Wednesday. Some computer models even suggesting some mid-90s across southeast Texas. So either way, we transition from the drier weather that we've seen to a wet pattern and then back to a dry, hot pattern as we head into the early and middle part of next week. We'll have another look at your forecast coming up today beginning on the 411. In the meantime, I hope everybody has a great Wednesday afternoon, and we'll see you on TV again starting right around 4 o'clock.
Voiceover on. 249, watch face.